Hey, if you haven't heard, I've created this exclusive group for all of you to learn more tips and hacks about credit building, Navy Federal, high limit credit cards, investing, business credit, and much more. I'm going to be posting more tips and hacks that I can't post on YouTube. So make sure you go subscribe right now at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. It's 50% off for the next 50 subscribers right now. On this channel, I have helped people get over 600,000 in credit, removing over 5,000 inquiries, and also removing 200 collections. Wait, there is more, and you don't want to miss it in this group. So make sure you join right now. See you there. Hey everyone, it's your girl Designer Soapbox, and I am back with another video. So in today's video is a video that I want to go over about Upturn. And if you've recently been a part of my channel and watched some of my videos, I do have an Upturn hack video where you can remove collections. Now a lot of you have had so much success with Upturn, but now you're wondering what's next for Equifax and Experian, since Upturn is only for Transunion. So if you're interested in learning more, please stay tuned. So let's just go over the Upturn hack in case anybody that's watching this video isn't familiar with Upturn. So Upturn is a disputing app only for Transunion only, and what Upturn is great for is removing negative items off your credit report, such as your Transunion credit report. So I'm just going to go over the instructions on how to do the Upturn hack in order to remove your collections or charge-offs of any negative items that are affecting your credit score. So first, you just go to the App Store. You'll download Upturn Credit, or you can go to upturncredit.com. Then you will create an account. It's going to ask you to put your date of birth and last 4 digits of your social security number. Then it will go over your credit report, and it will list all of the accounts on your credit report. And then it will also list your affecting accounts from your Transunion credit report. You will then dispute those regarding the ones that you want removed. Then you will go to that account and you will click "This account is inaccurate." You will also add a dispute reason. Now, these are just examples of dispute reasons, but if your account is in litigation, such as I have a popular video where Santander is in litigation, you will put that reason. So this account is in litigation. A lot of people have gotten that account removed by using that reason, but only put that reason if the account is in litigation. Also put a reason such as "This account is not mine, this account is not verified as my debt, and it's not mine." So you can also do that if you have tried to verify this debt with debt collections or with the company and they still have not verified as your debt. This is also a disputing reason, or you can use other disputing reasons depending on your accounts. Then you will also put, for the next reasoning is "I am disputing this account for the reason that I previously stated." Once that's done, you can combine all your disputes all in one final dispute, and then it will send to the credit bureau by submitting that dispute, and then you just wait for the response. Okay, so once you've done that, your results will be completed. It may take up to 45 days. Then you want to just keep your records, right? Then you got your results. So most of people have gotten up to 10 collections removed using this hack, but they want to know what's next with Equifax and Experian, because some of these accounts are reporting on those credit bureaus as well. I have provided you guys with the next steps to do it with Experian and Equifax. But before I go into details, make sure you like this video, because I am giving you guys so many gems. And you will use this letter to send to Experian and Equifax credit bureau once you get your results from Upturn Transunion. So remember, you cannot send this letter until you get results from the Upturn Transunion. So please do the Upturn hack first if you want to. However, you can also use this letter if you have other, say for instance, you're going through any credit disputing and it's not with Upturn, but one credit bureau removed a collection and the others didn't, you can also use this letter as well. So copy and paste this letter, and I'm going to just go ahead and read what the letter says. "To whom it may concern, I recently challenged the validity of company name," which you will put the company name, and then you'll put the account number that is reported either on the Experian or Equifax report. Then you will say account that's being reported on my most recent credit report. Upon challenging this, Transunion Credit Bureau deleted this account based on a lack of ability to properly verify all reported information being accurate. I noticed as a result of challenging this account with your company, you have verified the same account. It is my understanding that the creditor reports the same information to all credit bureaus as expected under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. If this is true, I am requesting the information you use to verify this account in writing. If such documents cannot be produced, please delete this account from my credit report immediately. I have attached my ID to this letter. Best regards, your name. Okay, so that's all you need to do. You can sign this, but you don't have to sign this, but you can also just type your name and print it out. And there you go. And make sure you add Experian address on the letter, and make sure you add Equifax address on the letter as well. And I will have those addresses down below in the description box. So helpful tips. Make sure you watch my other Upturn videos for more in-depth information about Upturn. If you need more information, if this video wasn't in depth, remember, removal disputing can take up to 45 days due to COVID-19 and even longer due to the holidays. So just keep in mind that this video is recorded in November in 2020 during COVID-19 and also during the holidays. So business days will be longer than expected when disputing. If you want, I highly recommend sending your letter certified with a copy of your ID to the credit bureaus. This will just help track your information because you will be sending your ID along with other information that is personal. So sending it certified will just, help you track your information and also have record that you sent them dispute letters. Also, you may want to submit a copy of your utility bill if your current address is different from the address on your driver ID or identification card. I highly recommend you do this as well because sometimes when you're sending letters to the credit bureau, if the address doesn't match the address on your driver ID, they will send a request for something to verify it, and this will reset the 30 days to 45 days response. So it's important to send this all at once so your disputing process does not affect it. Be patient and keep track of all of your records in a safe place, whether that be you have a disputing folder, a disputing drawer, but just make sure you keep everything in place because you never know when you'll need it for later on with disputing with them. Hi everyone, this is Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you guys check out our exclusive group at onlyfans.com/designer soapbox. Remember, 50% off for the next 50 subscribers. Also, follow me on Instagram at designer soapbox. Check out those ebooks at designersoapbox.com. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget, I love you all.